I suggest come on and just hit back. you.